Tempe Tahu Bacem is a traditional Javanese dish made from tempeh and tofu that are slowly simmered in a fragrant mixture of spices and palm sugar until the flavors are fully absorbed. It is especially popular in Central Java and the special region of Yogyakarta. The dish is known for its distinctive sweet and savory flavor. Its characteristic brown color comes from palm sugar, while aromatic spices such as garlic, shallots, coriander, galangal, and bay leaves create a rich, comforting taste. Many traditional recipes also use coconut water, which adds a subtle sweetness and depth of flavor. After simmering until the cooking liquid is nearly absorbed, the tempeh and tofu can be served as they are or lightly fried to create a thin caramelized exterior while keeping the inside soft and tender. Tempe Tahu Bacem is commonly enjoyed with sambal or fresh bird's eye chilies. Sambal or fresh bird's eye chilies. Fresh vegetables such as cucumber or lettuce. Besides being delicious, it is also a nutritious meal. Tempeh is an excellent source of plant-based protein, dietary